Hi everyone, welcome to the live. Okay, I'm waiting for 2 minutes for a few more to join in. So guys, today is the beginning of our summer spring collection, brand new pieces, and you're gonna love it and you're gonna have a tough time choosing one. So guys, I'm starting with these printed fabrics in pure organza, Kora silk, whatever you want to call them, and there are some amazing pieces and colors. ओके इसके लिए मैं आपको बताऊंगी आप इसको एज अ दुपट्टा यूज कर सकते हो दैट विल लुक अमेजिंग ऑन एनी सूट प्लेन चंदेरी और वट एवर और यू कैन मेक अ टॉप ऑफ इट यू कैन मेक अ ड्रेस आउट ऑफ इट यू कैन मेक अ स्कर्ट आउट ऑफ इट किसी भी तरह से सूट सेट बना रहे हैं सूट सेट बना सकते हैं यू कैन सी हाउ गॉर्जियस हाउ फ्लोई हाउ soft the fabric is this as soft it is as it can get so this is a okay the price range is 1820 per meter so we have this quite a lot so you can buy as much as you want आपको दुपट्टा चाहिए सूट बनाना है तो we have Kota silk dupattas dyeable that can be done with it okay this is the other one oh it's fabulous guys it's a pink color as you can see I'm just going to come close to show you the print so these all are हाँ यू कैन मेक अ नाइस फ्लेयर बॉटम आउट ऑफ इट उसके साथ कुर्ता कॉट सेट की तरह बना सकते हो एंड यू नो समर इज अ सीजन टू वेयर प्रिंट्स एंड दे लुक फैबुलस एंड वेरी गॉर्जियस सो दिस इज द other one okay can I have the third one please in my hand so these are per meter 1820 you can buy them as much as you want and this is a gorgeous my favorite burgundy color burgundy shade as you can see आपको दिख रहा होगा I hope and this is the entire print on it and you can see the flow the feel very feminine very great on skin you have to give a lining either give butter crepe का lining or give मल कॉटन का जो हम हमेशा देते हैं यू कैन सी हाउ गॉर्जियस इट इसका स्कर्ट भी बनाएंगे इट्स गोना लुक फैब इसका टॉप बनाएंगे इट्स गोना लुक फैब so it can be used in many ways okay guys now we are moving on to our chiffon prints so बहुत सारे prints लेकर आए हैं हम आपके लिए इस बार आर सम आई तो really loved my summer spring collection मतलब each and every piece is very unique and very really great to be worn very different in a way on its own so this is the white with all the print on it it's looking fabulous फिर again I'm gonna tell you उसका दुपट्टा भी बना सकते हो अगर आपको white suit carry करना है just make a दुपट्टा you can also make a साड़ी out of these organza की भी साड़ी बन जाएगी इसकी भी साड़ी बन जाएगी for a sari I think you have to take 6.5-7 meters वो depends 6.5 to 7 meters में साड़ी can be done without the blouse आपको separate लेना पड़ेगा and this is another chiffon fabric it's a fabulous shade of aqua blue sea green you can call it you can see the print super gorgeous pieces these are just fabulous the price for these chiffon pieces fabrics is 2220 per meter so 2220 per meter so you can see how gorgeous it is इसका भी आप कुछ भी बनाएंगे it's gonna look fabulous कुर्ता बनाइए देन उसके साथ प्लेन बॉटम करना है सेम ऑन सेम करना है कॉट सेट करना है it's just amazing these pieces are very summer friendly okay now we are moving on to our linen suits these two are I think 3-piece linen I'm just gonna check okay all the 3 pieces are in linen no the bottoms are in mercerized cotton the kurta is in linen the dupatta is in linen so this has a bit of kantha and weave on it and the dupatta is printed can very summer friendly again and the price range is very economical 9620 I'm going to open up the entire kurta first wale ka so you can have a nice look so this is the dupatta very easy lightweight dupatta to be carried and you can see the print and the colors popping out fabulous piece so just take a screenshot come on our WhatsApp number which is mentioned in each and every post of ours एक ही WhatsApp number है I'm gonna show you the entire kurta just have a nice look ये कुर्ता है फ्रंट बैक सेम है ये वीविंग भी है कांथा थोड़ा सा एम्ब्रॉयडरी कह सकते हैं कांथा वीव बोल सकते हैं whatever and this is the mercerized cotton का bottom so it's a fabulous fabric to be worn in summers you can dress them up dress them down अच्छी कोई फंक्शन में पहनना है कोई ओकेजन के लिए पहनना है जस्ट वेयर नाइस ज्वेलरी एंड इट विल बी परफेक्ट टू बी वॉर्न और अगर कैजुअली पहन के जाना है देन ऑल्सो जस्ट get a nice silhouette done and this is a very nice shade of cream very nice cream color. Not a beige, I won't call it a beige, it's exactly cream color, I feel. So you can see how gorgeous the set is. They are absolutely ready to go out. The price range is 9620 and the linen is very soft and very light on body. And this is a last color in my hand. It's a peachish pink. I'll just open it up for you once. And as I told you, our summer collection is gonna be very fabulous this time and very wearable suits. So just keep on. ओके हमने एक इनर लूम करके एक सर्कल बनाया, इनर सर्कल सॉरी, ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. दैट्स अ कम्युनिटी गाइस, यू मस्ट जॉइन दैट. इन केस मेरे को बहुत मैसेजेस इंक्वायरीज आती है कि वी डोंट गेट टू नो, एंड जब तक हम वीडियो देखते हैं या पता चलता है हमें आपने कुछ नया डाला है, इट्स सोल्ड आउट. सो फॉर दैट, टू जस्ट अवॉइड दैट, जॉइन दैट इनर लूम सर्कल so that you get first hand information, कब क्या जा रहा है, लाइव आ रहा है, कौन सी कलेक्शन आ रही है. you'll get to know everything, you'll get a notification whenever we post something, so you can easily just check out the notifications and check the collection. So this is the last piece from that linen suits. Okay, now we are moving on to Kora suits. So this is the mercerized cotton bottom and the price for these ones are 13620. 13620. This is applique work on the kurta. You can see it's a fabulous applique work and आगे पीछे same है, front और back. And this is the dupatta with it. The dupatta has the scallops, it has embroidery, applique, everything on it. So you can see how gorgeous the set is. So these are very wearable suits, summer friendly, very pastel colors. And this is the bottom, pink mein. That was a blue color, this is a pink. So I always say the shades out so that बहुत फिर भी पूछते हैं लोग क्या कलर है, क्या शेड है. So मैं अपनी तरफ से तो बता ही देती हूँ. This is the reason we make lives, we do lives or we make videos, so that you can get a 98% closeness to the actual shade, actual color of the piece, because pictures में फिर भी थोड़ा बहुत इधर उधर हो जाता है. So this is a pink color, fabulous piece. The price for these suits is 13,620 for a 3-piece set. This is a mauve color, this is the bottom in plain, and it has full embroidery applique in the front, back, and the dupatta has also scallops, embroidery applique. Okay, I've opened it up ulta. I'm just going to show you. So this is the front. The back side is plain, guys. This is the front of the kurta and this is the. So guys, please join the inner loom circle. अभी हमने कल ही I think launch किया और 100 करीब members हो भी गए हैं. So it's a fabulous thing to join in. Okay, these are our handloom cotton suits. It's a 3-piece suit set woven on the same loom. This is the bottom with the border and it's a black color. I know गर्मी है, थोड़ा black कम avoid करते हैं सब, but evenings में है, कहीं रात को पहनना है, still black is a favorite of all in any season. So this is the front of the kurta with the border. Back side same है, just border नहीं है. So this is the back side, जाल kurta है and the cotton is superb. जो आपको अभी गर्मी में स्किन पे चाहिए, अपनी हल्का लाइट, बट स्टिल बिकॉज देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ जरी ऑन इट, इट लुक्स वेरी ड्रेसी. सो आप इसको किसी भी शादी के फंक्शन में, किसी भी कॉकटेल में, किसी भी ओकेजन के लिए पहन सकते हो. इट वोंट लुक कि क्या कॉटन का सूट पहना है. नो, because it's handloom cotton and it has so much of zari weaving and a slight meena in the dupatta, so they look very dressy. Okay, the price range I'm not sure, 14 hai 15 hai, I think a range mein hai, 14,620. Okay, now this one is another piece in handloom cotton. This is the bottom. So bottom mein border hai, so it means that the pieces, all the 3 pieces are woven on the same loom, the kurta, the dupatta and the bottom. So this is another fabulous piece with bootas. वो जाल का था कुर्ता, इसमें bootas हैं, that's the only difference. And this is the dupatta. So इनमें tassels नहीं है दुपट्टास में, because many people tell us कि cotton के suits में we don't want tassels, don't do the tassels. So हमने बिना tassel के रखा है. It's your choice. In case आपको tassel चाहिए, you have to let us know. I think the charges would be extra because हमें courier करना पड़ता है बनारस, and courier के charge ही हम actually charge करते हैं because the courier goes then it comes back, so that is the only thing, and then we can ship it to you. This is the third color. It's a peachish pink. That was a proper pink. This is a peach color. You want, I'll just open it up for you. This is the bottom with the border. Okay, I'll open up the dupatta and the kurta for you to have a nice look. Guys, to shop, just take a screenshot, come on our WhatsApp number, which is there. There's just one WhatsApp number. It's there on each and every post of ours. उस पर स्क्रीनशॉट लेकर आइए. आपको कुछ भी परचेज करना है, योर फाइनल विद योर डिसीजन, जस्ट टेक द पेमेंट लिंक. पेमेंट ऑप्शंस बहुत सारे हैं. जी पे है, बैंक ट्रांसफर है, देन सीओडी है विद टोकन अमाउंट, देन क्रेडिट कार्ड, डेबिट कार्ड लिंक्स है, बहुत कुछ है. तो आपको जो भी सिलेक्ट करना है आप सिलेक्ट कीजिए एंड देन द पीसेस शिप टू यू. इट्स वेरी सिंपल. एंड आपका क्या काम है, आपको जस्ट वीडियो या लाइव देखना है, उससे चूज करना है, दैट्स इट. रेस्ट इज अप टू अस. आपको पेमेंट कर देनी है, उसके बाद द पीस विल बी शिप टू यू. ओके, दिस इज अ फैबुलस पीस इन शिफॉन जॉर्जेट. सो आप पे जो इस पे जाल देख रहे हो, दैट इज एंटायरली इन रेशम मीना. जो बीच में अम्बीज है, दैट इज ओनली द जरी पार्ट. सॉरी, रेस्ट ऑल इज इन रेशम. तो बॉर्डर में थोड़ी सी जरी है, स्लाइट जरी इज देयर ऑन द कुर्ता एंड द दुपट्टा इज दिस. So zari बहुत कम है, सूट में है, but only in the borders and all, and the rest, most of the part is in resham weaving. It's ultra lightweight, very soft, very easy to carry in summers. I'm just going to open up one layer and show you. Okay, they are 3-piece suits है, so इनकी bottoms जो है crepe में आती है. So this is the kurta for you and this is the back side. So ये सब रेशम का इस पे काम हुआ है. Okay, I have one more color in this. That was a light mauve and this is a dark purple and this is the shade for you. So this मैं जैसे आप उछाल रही हूँ, आपको दिखा रही हूँ, ये दिख रहा है कि it's very heavy, but heavy बिल्कुल नहीं है. It's ultra lightweight, बहुत ही हल्का पीस है. आपके हाथ में आएगा आपको पता चलेगा. So this is the dupatta. So this is a very pretty shade of purple. Yeah. So this is the kurta. Back side and front same hai, as you can see. So this was for today's live. I hope you like the pieces. This is just the beginning. We're just getting started for this summer. Just check out the entire live, make your decision, take a screenshot, come on our WhatsApp.